In this video, I'll show you how to create a new dashboard in Visual Shopfloor. First, open the Administration menu. Then go to Monitoring and select Dashboards. Here you'll see a list of all dashboards that already exist in the system. To create a new one, click the yellow plus button in the bottom right corner. Next, choose the type of dashboard you want to create. Pick the type that best fits how you want the information to be displayed. Once you've selected a type, the Edit window opens. Start by entering a name for the dashboard. In this example, we'll create Overview of Orders per Workstation. If your system supports multiple languages, you can also add name translations. For example, I'll add the German translation. Next, you can enter a description that explains the purpose of the dashboard. You can also add tags. Tags help organize dashboards and make them easier to find later. They are only visible in the Administration section. The Auto Refresh setting allows the dashboard to update automatically at regular intervals. If you enable manual input, you can define the refresh interval in seconds. There is also the option Do Not Display Dashboard Header on Info Board. Enable this if the dashboard will be shown on an info board and you want to hide the header. You can also enable Restrict Visibility. This allows you to select which user groups can see the dashboard. Groups that are not selected will not have access. If you click the Help button, a short hint explains how the Restrict Visibility option works. Once the basic settings are complete, save the configuration. Use the search bar to find the dashboard and click its title to open it. You can now start building the dashboard by adding widgets. Choose the widgets you need and arrange them according to your layout. In this example, the layout is already prepared. And that's it. The dashboard is ready to use. Thank you for watching.